Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about some of the problem based essay topics. It happens many times that students are supposed to write something about a problem, but they are not familiar with that term which is given in their question statement. So most of the times if they are unfamiliar with that topic, they write ideas which are irrelevant or they present irrelevant answer and they don't get very good band score. So maybe many of you have heard about these terms already, but I am making this video to help those students who haven't heard these terms before, so that they have clear idea what they need to write in these types of topics. So first topic is juvenile delinquency. You can see the spellings: juvenile delinquency. Many a time students have faced this topic, but they were not knowing this term, so they could not attempt their question well. What is the meaning of juvenile delinquency? I have cleared it here. It refers to the criminal activities done by young children, especially of the age 16 or below 16. So what is asked in the essay? They would be asking you about the causes, like what are the reasons why children of such young age indulge in criminal activities, what could be the solutions, and what punishments should be given to the children, and whether capital punishment should be there for the children or not. Capital punishment means death penalty. So whether it should be given to the children who are juvenile delinquent or not. You must practice these related topics also. You should study about the causes, you should study about the solutions and punishments which are offered for juvenile delinquency. Next is brain drain. You must have heard about this term, brain drain. It is the migration of large number of intellectual, talented and professional people from developing or undeveloped countries to developed ones. Means large number of intelligent people who are working in different fields, they are shifting to other well-developed countries. They are leaving their native countries. So this term is called, this migration is called brain drain. What are the causes? What effective measures should be taken to stop this phenomena? Then merits and demerits could be asked. What are the consequences of brain drain in the future? Next topic is corporal punishment. So punishment word is really common, so we can understand easily. But what is corporal punishment? Together these words make a collocation, and the meaning of this collocation is giving physical punishment to someone. Physical punishment given to someone, especially to children, by hitting or by pushing, especially by the teachers or parents. When we hurt someone physically, when we give physical punishment to the children, that is called corporal punishment. So essay could be about its effects. What are the effects of corporal punishment on the behavior of the children? And those effects, they can ask you talk about or write about the short term and long term effects of this practice. And it could also be asked to you that whether corporal punishment should be banned in the schools or not. So you must practice these essays. Next topic is mercy killing. Killing we all understand. Now what is mercy killing? Together for these two words, meaning is giving someone easy, painless death, or you can say intentional killing of someone, ending someone's life. That person might be suffering from some kind of incurable disease or pain, and willingly he or she is asking for death with the consent of relatives, parents, guardians. Death could be given to that person. So mercy killing means killing someone with his or her will or his or her guardian's will. So what could be the related topic? What could be asked to you in the exam for this topic? They can say, should mercy killing be legalized in all the countries or not? Next topic is generation gap. By listening this word, it sounds like that we are asked about the gap between the generation. But actually, it is the difference between the thinking of young generation and old generation. That is called generation gap. So for this topic, they can ask you about the reasons and solutions. How can this problem be solved, the problem of generation gap? Next sixth topic is gender bias. Gender bias meaning is tendency to prefer one gender over other or giving more privileges to people of one gender over another. Gender like female or male, there is discrimination between two genders. That can happen at workplaces, that can happen at homes, that can happen in educational institutions. So question they can ask you, give examples of gender bias and how this problem can be solved. Next topic is soil erosion. It is related to atmosphere, related to earth. It is the meaning of this term is gradual process of movement of upper layer of the soil. So in the essay it could be asked to you that what are the causes of soil erosion and what are the effects and how it could be prevented. Next topic is population explosion. Meaning is dramatic rise in the population. So for that, which topics can come in your IELTS exam? Preventions for population explosion, adverse effects of population explosion, role of the government to prevent population explosion, and role of the citizens to tackle this problem. Next one is very important, that is human cloning. Now what is human cloning? You must be familiar with this term. It is the creation of a genetically identical copy of a human. So relevant related topics could be, they can ask you, is it dangerous? Is human cloning dangerous for us? Is it beneficial for us? And what is the future of the human cloning? These questions can be covered or asked. So you must practice once this topic, human cloning. Now next topic is genetically modified foods or organic foods. Both terms have different meanings. Organic foods are those which are grown without pesticides or chemical fertilizers, and genetically modified foods are those which are designed in laboratories to provide more nutritional values, but pesticides and fertilizers are used. So it could be asked to you that these GM foods, genetically modified food or organic foods, are those foods boon or bane for our society? Are those foods beneficial or dangerous for us? So these are the 10 important topics for problem-based essays. You should once go through these topics, collect ideas and practice. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video.